and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today, we're going to take a visit to Woody's, Buzz's, Elmo's, and Cookie Monster's school. Let's take a look inside their backpack. Here's a notebook. It's very shiny. Here is some stickers. I think my favorite is the pizza. And what's this? Seems like some sort of toy. It's a little rocket ship. And a postcard. What's this? This is a ruler. You can see the measurements on the side. And we have... It's a pen. Another postcard. This is some bookmarks. And guess what? These are some stamps for the postcards. All right, fellas, hop in the bus. It's time for school. Everybody's in. Gee, we barely fit. Let's have some tunes and hit the road. Look, we're here. And Kitty's come for a visit. Lala. Hi, Lala. Hi, Lala. It's me, Buzz Lightyear. Wait, don't walk away. Time to go to school. Lala thinks she can fit inside the school. She's going in. All right, please take a seat. Yes, Mrs. Peoples. Today, we're going to be learning some simple addition. So, does anybody know what 3 plus 3 is? Oh, pick me. Yes, Elmo. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Nice job, Elmo. What about 5 plus 7? Mrs. Peoples, I think I know the answer. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Very good job, Woody. All right, class, now let's move on to subtraction. What exactly is subtraction? Subtraction is when you take away things instead of adding them together. Let's say we had 4 people. But then we decided we were going to subtract 2 people. Now, how many people are we left with? Oh, I know, pick me. I think we're left with 2 people. Nicely done, Cookie Monster. All right, time for a break, everyone. Isn't math so fun? Well, I suppose it could be, but I'm not very good at it. That's all right, Buzz. I know you'll get the hang of it eventually. You're super smart. That's right, it just takes practice. Thanks, you guys. You're the best. Okay, class dismissed. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Mrs. Peoples? Yes, Buzz, what is it? Well, I was just wondering if maybe you could give me a few practice sheets so I can work on my math. Of course I can, Buzz. I'm so proud of you for not giving up. I'll go get them now. 1 week later. All right, class, now, can you tell me what 10 minus 4 is? Wait, I think I know. Yes, Buzz? It's 6. Very well done. I'm so glad that your practicing has paid off. Thank you guys for supporting me. I couldn't have done it without you. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye!